trying to open a bank account in the Philippines as a foreigner? Don't even try unless you have this one document. Hey there, foreign friends. So you're living or staying long-term in the Philippines and thinking, should I open a local bank account? Absolutely, yes. It will make life a lot easier. But here's what many foreigners don't realize. You will need a permanent ACRI card. That's the Alien Certificate of Registration Identity Card issued by the Bureau of Immigration. Here's why it matters. Most major banks in the Philippines require your permanent ACRI card before they can even process your application. It proves your legal status and valid stay in the country. Without it, bank may reject your application even if you have a passport and visa. Think of your ACRI card as your golden ticket. No card, no account. Documents needed to open a Philippine bank account as a foreigner. ACRI card, passport with valid visa, proof of billing, initial deposit based on bank requirements, and any other documents needed by the bank. Now, there may be cases where a branch manager gives you an exception, but don't count on that. Play it safe. Get your ACRI card first. Remember, ACRI card is coming from permanent visa. Visa and ACRI card. This is JRC, your go-to guide for visa, immigration, and real estate in the Philippines. Join us every week for Visa Monday, and I'll see you on our next video.